Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial where we're going to be going over building this slideshow. Pretty simple, super clean, and this is working with divs. So you could fill this with anything that you want. You could click here to cycle through. There's the automatic carousel, which you saw, and then you could also click these buttons to choose specific slides and get to them yourself. So let's get right into it. So first things first, this is built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Vanilla, pure, no libraries or anything like that. We're going to jump right in. So the first thing is we're going to build a div. Or we're going to code a div, and this is going to be called, give it a class of slideshow, and that's going to hold everything. That's going to hold all of our slideshow. All right, the next thing is we're going to have some other divs, and we're going to give them a class of slide. And then for now, we're just going to give it we're going to say slide 1. Pretty straightforward. Just going to copy it out to make 4 copies. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. The next step is we need another div because if you could see here, we have this little container here, right? That contains all the dots that represent the slide. So we want that container to be built. We're going to go here and we're going to say class, and we're going to give it a class dot dash cont, short for container. And close the div. And then inside, similar to here, I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. We're going to have, instead of slide, it's going to be div, or sorry, it's going to be dot, and this is going to be empty. And we're going to give it the same amount as the slide, so 4. All right, you're not going to see anything here, but once we do the styles in CSS, you'll be able to see it. The last thing that we want is we want some buttons. So if you look here, there's a button here that lets you go backwards, right, and then the one that goes forward. So we want to add those. We're not doing anything fancy, pretty basic, straightforward. You could add an image or anything if you want to make the button look a bit different, or import a library like font awesome. But yeah, we're going to go arrow. We're going to give it a class of arrow dash button. And that's basically it for now. We're going to add some JavaScript functions to this, but for now, we just want to do, we're just doing the basic outline. And we're using a greater than and a less than sign. So first off, we want 2 of these, one for left and one for right. And then we want to give them specific classes so that we can manipulate it a little bit. So left arrow, we can position them. Left arrow and then right arrow. And what goes inside, I think it's for the less than sign. It's ampersand hashtag 60 semicolon. Hey, you got it right. Nice. And then the greater than sign is ampersand hashtag 62 semicolon. Yes, perfect. Okay, so we're good to go. So we got the HTML going. The next step is we are going to be doing the basic styles.